Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, hi, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing okay. If it is your first time to see my face, my name is Rahma. I'm currently living in Dubai. I always say Dubai stroke Uganda. Yeah, and yeah guys, I'm just back. This is only one day in Dubai. I came back from Uganda, and guess what I have for you today? Pumpkin. I bought this one to show you guys, to show you something. I used to make this one with my grandma every time we have like a special guest coming home. This is what we used to make. Yeah, my granny was so tradition, so he could come out with different local dishes. So I'm going to be making this one with you. It's another cooking video for you guys. Hope you enjoy the video and you learn something out of everything. And if you have pumpkin, I'm not sure about here, that's why I bought this pumpkin from Uganda. So we're going to be making the local one from Uganda in the local way with everything. So come with me to my kitchen and you see how I'll be coming out with this. Yeah, I feel like we should make this one first day for Mr. Yeah, I wasn't home, so what do you expect? Food, of course, huh? Food, okay, food. Let us do it right now. Sure, my hand. Let us do it right now.
Okay, let's go.
So for this recipe, yeah, you need pumpkin as in pumpkin. So this is a local pumpkin from Uganda. Yeah, then these are our veggies: tomato, onion, carrots, and paprika. Sure, the paprika, paxcam, yeah, and garlic or green pepper. And we are going to be using this. You know this for the oldies. You know this. This is our ruombo. Yeah, we shall be using that. If you have like banana leaves, you can use banana leaves. But for me, I have this. Then I'll be using my beef. This is roasted beef from Uganda also. This is what I'll be using. Then yeah, I think that's all. So let us start now. TikTok, I know you have been with me chopping the veggies, so you have to wash. Yeah, you have to wash your pumpkin very well. Put this one here. My space is small, so close. We have to remove this one. This will work as our cover. Pray that this pumpkin is nice. All my prayers that this pumpkin is nice. Yeah, I have to remove. Shall use this one as a cover. Okay, I wanted to do everything with you guys, that's why I didn't first. You have to remove this, then you remove all the seeds inside. Like this, like this. Like this, and like this. I think this is now okay. Small. Okay, so yeah, so this one we are going to use it to cover. Let us remove these seeds. This will be our cover. So this is how everything looks like, but we have to remove all the excess seeds. So I'll get my spoon and start removing everything, because all these vegetables will go here plus the beef. So have to remove everything. Make sure that you remove each and everything inside. That's first one, see? You see? See what we have. My hand cannot fit inside, but if you buy a big one, automatically it will be much easier.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?